Hi everybody, welcome. GAEA Google Classroom 2020, very exciting. I thought that this would be very helpful to you if you have never done Google Classroom, as well as creating forms and documents in Google to share links so that students can do their assignments. Here are some of the list of things that I thought would be important. Main thing is in order to accommodate mass number of students digitally because of pandemic, this tool would be great and you would benefit from this in order to collect data, simply using the Google form to collect the data. And simply creating Google form to share, hyperlink the link into your particular county portal and so on, and able to send Gmail to students if you have Google Classroom. So I hope you can explore those things in the Google Classroom that I created for you. The code for the class is XS265D7. Please do write it down so that you can join the class. Give me a second, you'll see what I mean. So when you go to your Google Drive, you are able to click on the waffle, and there's a plus sign that appears, and then you can either join or create a class. Like I said, if you have Google Drive, you might be able to create a classroom. If not, I will embed all the link on a Word document or something, so you can click around and do some of the assignments on there. So I've already made you a Google Classroom right here. And like I said, the code, you can, under the gear, you can get the code. So gear is the setting, right? So it's a GAEA Google Class 2020, subject is art. And obviously in here, you have embedded Google Meets address in there and Google Code, and you can display it. Also under here, there's setting, student can post and comment or teacher only post. So you are able to click around in the options to create your own personal Google Classroom. So under classwork is where you can see the assignments for you. Obviously, you don't have to accomplish every one of these assignments. I think the lessons are written 1 through 6 from bottom to top. So we're doing the introduction right now. Like I said, you click on the plus sign, add the code, and you will definitely be able to join the class. Please do fill out the contact list so that I have an idea who's been in the site and so on. Main thing is to create possible lessons in Google Classroom. So let me show you some of the lessons that I thought might be appropriate. Some of these things like syllabus, safety contract, artist technique, essential questions, some of the tests from whatever you're trying to create could be in here. Also submission could be in here. I did add some links for you in here so that you can click it and take a look at some of the lessons, how I had written it. So main thing is to create a Google Classroom, you click on the waffle, click on the classroom, and click create classroom, and then add your description and then click create. I'm gonna cancel it at the moment. So once you have the Google Classroom, you can add you're the teacher and you can add the student. You can invite them by clicking the plus sign and possibly writing their names or their email address. And you can actually automatically invite them. And then the Gmail actually goes out to them, and all they have to do is click join to join the classroom. Or like I said, you can give them the code to join the classroom. Main thing about Google Classroom is that you can actually get a Google Calendar and class drive to you can click on the class folders and you're able to view all the assignments there, and obviously Google Meets. In order to create Google Classroom, you simply click on the create for the assignment, and you will see that this particular boxes up here, title and instruction, and you can create the form, document, slide, and so on in here, or you can add from the Google Drive or link or YouTube link in here to make an assignment. Also notice that on the right hand side, before you assign, if you have multiple classes, you can click on them all like this. And then once you clicked it, you can click assignment with a due date, and then that would go to multiple classes at the same time. So let's go look at a form, because form is really important. You can see usually when you assign an assignment, you would maybe have a Google form with a Google slide to explain what's going on, right? So in the Google form, in order to distinguish different class, you would probably write last name, first name, let them write them down. And then actually the classes, each classes, say middle school 6A class, 6B class, and so on, can be written into this form so that they click the right class and then it will automatically sort. What I mean is, once you create the questions, the teacher can edit to see the responses right here. And right now, I did not assign points to this particular form, but you are able to assign points by making it quizzes right here under the gear tool. And there is restrictions. If you want to collect email and everything, you could collect that there as well. So once you have people filled out the questions, you can click on the Excel sheet, and you would see all these first name and last name appears right here. These are the teacher names, so I'm not too worried about it. And then there are scores that's marked on the left. So you are able to sort the scores. You are able to sort the time, Z to A. So the bottom one would be the earliest submission, and the top one would be the latest submission. And then also you can sort them by name, you can sort them by class, and so on, and it would be already graded for you. Other features that's in the Google Classroom is also creating multiple classes, like I said, so that is in there for you. Design and assign, the lessons are right here for you. Like I said, if you're not able to create Google Classroom, I will definitely link all the links in here on a document so that you can click around and take a look at them. I hope you enjoyed this session, and hopefully this will be really productive for you and you are able to use it during this pandemic. If you want to reach out to me, my Gmail address is annie_park@g.gcpsk12.org. Please do email me to that particular Gmail, and then I can respond back to you that day. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Good luck with everything. Thank you.